and I want to know how long it will take me to save $3,500. So I want to use that savings account how long formula, which is R equals log of 1 plus R over N times A over payment. Okay, and this is for savings. And so I'm thinking about all the values that I have for the savings account. What you can do for this calculation for your project is write it out nicely on a piece of paper and then use CAM Scanner to take a picture of it, and then you can embed your work into your report. And so I'll have log. That's easier than trying to learn how to use the equation editor on your software. So you don't have to do the equation editor. You can just write out your work very nicely. So I have 1 plus R is 0.05 for my savings account. My N is going to be 12 for both of these accounts. And then the amount is $3,500. My monthly payment, $350. And it will be log of 1 plus 0.05 divided by 12. Calculate it on my calculator. So I'll have 0.05 divided by 12. So if I was writing this for my project, I might do another line and not cross off everything on that first formula where I filled in values. So I have 1 plus, and this is what I'm going to store in my A times, I can see that 3,500 divided by 350 is going to give me just a 10. So I might just write that here. Store this one in A, and then I'll do the 3,500 divided by 350, and I get 10. I just wanted you to see that. I wasn't making it up. And then I'll take that times my A, so I have to do recall A, and then plus 1, or I could do 1 plus answer, and I get 1.041666 repeating. And then I have to take the log of that. So for the numerator, I get 0.01772, and it goes on. I'll store that in B. And then I have to do log 1 plus A I get, I'm not going to store that anywhere because it is in answer, and I'll recall B divided by answer. I get 9.82, we'll call it, months. And that's to save up for the purchase price of the couch, which sort of makes sense because it's going to take 10 payments exactly to get, if I didn't get interest on my money at all, it would take me 10 payments exactly to save up the 3,500. So if I have 9.82 months, and that's less than a year, so I'm just going to leave it as 9.82. And then the next question is, so I'll write that up here, 9.8 months. And then how much will I end up paying if I save up? And so for that second part, it's also part of the savings account. And so that's going to be the payment times the number of months, remember. which is, in this case, our payment was $350. And the number of months, 9.82. And I'll do 350 times 9.82. And you can go ahead and round it to 2 decimal places. That's fine. That's sufficient here. And that will give me 34.37 that I end up having to pay for this sofa if I save up for it, which should be less than the amount the sofa costs because I am saving and I do earn interest on my saving. And then here we'll end up paying $34.37. I have one other question that I didn't write on here, and that's how much interest am I going to earn on this account? And so the interest earned, that'll be the cost of the sofa minus the amount that we saved. And so in this case, $3,500 minus the $34.37. $3,500 minus answer will be $63 in interest.